back to my channel. Welcome back to Pujo Vlogs, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys my street shopping haul and vlog. So this is something very new I've never done before. It's a vlog combined with a haul in the end, so I hope you guys really enjoy it, and without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this. So right now it's 4:30 and we're just running a little behind schedule, but that's whatever it is, and we'll be going to Goria Haat, and this is my first ever Pujo shopping of 2021, so I'm like really excited, and it was very imperative to add in my first ever vlog of Pujo vlogs. So that's that, and now we're running really late, so we'll have to go. And this is my outfit I'm wearing, which I'll just show you in a bit, and all in all I'm like really excited.
We go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend.
So I'm all ready, and we're just gonna step out, and there are a couple of things which I have in mind which I need to buy. I intend to buy a lot of jewelry, so we'll see how that goes as well. And now let's just go. We've reached Goria Haat. For those of you who don't know, Goria Haat is basically the Savishnagar equivalent over here in Kolkata. Right now I'm in Srinagar's video, so we'll see if we find something here. I hope I'm audible among all the noise, because you know everyone's literally doing Pujo shopping right now.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.
So I got my shoes for myself, and right now I'm just gonna change, and I'm gonna get some shoes for my dad as well. Actually my mom is gonna select, so we'll just see that.
Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide.
So this is day 2 of us going to Goria Haat, and last time I couldn't vlog much or buy much stuff because we were in a hurry, but today I think we can get more stuff, so I'm excited about that. This is my outfit and this is my makeup. Right now it's almost 3 PM and we'll be going out right now, so let's go. So you're excited to go to Goria Haat with me?
Of course.
Like it's literally after we are going after like a year, more than a year actually.
Yeah.
So
yeah, more than 2 years, I guess.
Yeah. So I'm all ready, and I just put my hair down in a middle partition, just like how basically I do it. I, however, do think my hair was looking better hair up, but ये तोहफा हमने खुद को दिया है. Now I'm not going to speak any more rubbish because we're running late, and we'll just head out.
Ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out.
So we got to Goria Haat, and as usual there's a lot of bheed over here, and bheed. Bro, what the hell? So पता नहीं अभी we'll go to a shoe shop or somewhere. Let's see. This is literally shoe heaven. We literally got shoes, and it's so hot I can't even wear full makeup.
First I'm wearing a sweatshirt.
Yeah, it's so fucking hot I can't even. But now I need to cross the road to get to another shop. I don't know for what, but we'll see that again. It was literally so hot I had to get my hair up, and right now we are in this kapdon ki dukaan, and my mom is just getting clothes, measuring them out. Oh my god, it is so freaking hot. So we are getting here in front of Bedouin, Goria Haat hai, Bedouin na hai, that's really. So again we're going to place our order, and we are done with all our shopping and everything, and we're just going to go.
I can help you out.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed my street shopping vlog from Goria Haat, and now I'm going to share with you guys whatever I bought from Goria Haat. So if you're interested in knowing what all I got, then let's jump into So the first and the only clothing item which I got this time is actually a very basic black tank top. Now I cannot emphasize enough, I had been looking for a black tank top for the longest time. So when I saw this on Goria Haat in one of the shops, I just immediately knew I had to grab this. Now that shop had many more colors, pastel blues and all. So I got a black one and a pastel blue one. The pastel blue one is with my sister in her hostel. So this has a square cut over a U cut, and I think I prefer that a little bit more. Now this, you must believe, retails just for these 100, and I don't think you can get any cheaper than this. Obviously I don't need to tell you guys how to use a tank top in multiple ways, but this is a very good quality tank top, and it's also quite stretchable. So if you're XL, double XL, you can wear it because it fits me, I can say that. Moving on, I got a bunch of accessories from Goria Haat, starting off with this. Now this is a very cute, like a lime yellow sort of a pastel scrunchie. Now this is not exactly a scrunchie like your typical satin and cloth scrunchies. This is a more fur-based scrunchie. Now this retails just for ₹20, and that was I was mind blown, because if you go to buy scrunchies from Instagram stores or Amazon itself, you get in sets, and they're much more expensive than your regular. So I really like this scrunchie. It's also very good as a hair tie as well. It'll keep your hair in place, and as a scrunchie that looks good only. I think it looks very cute. It's a nice cute little addition to your everyday outfit. So this is one item which I really love and I can see myself wearing out also. Another hair accessory item I have is this knotted hairband. Now if you know me, I have a big fetish for hairbands. I'm a big time sucker for good hairbands, and when I saw this beautiful yellow knotted hairband, I like I had to get it. This is also very inexpensive. This retails just for ₹30, and I like to wear hairbands like this. Oh my god, I think yeah, it looks quite cute with this outfit as well. The last hair accessory item which I got is actually this very cute looking hairpin. Now this has 3 hearts on it, and this is actually ridiculously pricey. Like yeah, this Chotu Sa clip retails for $40, and I was like, what? I tried to bargain, they wouldn't just reduce the price at all, so I bought it for $40 because it looks very cute and dainty, and I'm like into dainty stuff. So you just put these hair clips side. These are again small little additions to your outfit which are very cutesy, minimalistic at the same time, and you won't look over the top. Now moving on to jewelry items. This time I was so determined to get the maximum amount of oxidized jewelry that I can get, because again I just freaking love oxidized jewelry. So the first piece of jewelry that I have are these massive black hoops. So when I say these hoops are huge, I'm not even kidding, guys. Like you can literally wear this as a bangle. Like look, I'm not even kidding. But jokes aside, these pair of hoops are like huge and they are super pretty. And hoops in general just go with every outfit. You can pair it up with Western or Indian if you want. But these hoops are very unique, and you best believe these hoops retail just for ₹30. The quality of this is okayish. Now for $30 you cannot bargain more. Obviously these will get rusty and oxidized over a period of time. But again, I'm not complaining. These are quite good and I'm looking forward to wearing them. The next piece of earring I have are these are very beautiful bohemian oxidized earrings. Now these are just your basic tops, but this has such a beautiful touch to it. Like the spikes coming out of the end of it. I think it just gives it that bling, that X factor of sorts. And again, guys, these retail just for $30. But this is such a beautiful and elegant piece, and I cannot wait to pair it up with some Indian outfit of mine. Moving on, I have 2 very beautiful oxidized bohemian rings, and oh my god, don't they look pretty. Now this one retails just for $30 again, and this one retails for ₹70 only. So I got both of them for ₹100. Can you believe that? These are so beautiful pieces. Like the oxidized, the work on them is so beautiful, and especially this one. It's round and it has such beautiful and intricate patterns on it, and it just complements any outfit very well. You can go for a very bohemian Indo-Western look and pair up these rings with that. Now coming to one of my most favorite things which I bought from my entire haul, it has to be this beautiful choker. So I really like these sort of chokers, and you can see the work done here is beautiful. It is just going to complement every outfit. You can wear it with a white shirt and make it an Indo-Western look, or you can wear it with your lehengas, and I think it will just look very beautiful. Now this also is damn inexpensive. This retails just for $170. Like, can you believe it? It's quite sturdy. It's not, it does not feel cheap or flimsy for the price, and I'm really looking forward to pairing this with my outfits as well. So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll bring up more such fun content in my Pujo vlog, so stay tuned. Till then guys, have a very safe Pujo and carry your masks and sanitizers everywhere you go. I love all of you guys. Take care and bye. Third year, and this is the second episode.
Start.
Okay, sorry, I behaved like one lesson. Okay.